Now hiring. Construction site cleaning staff near Belgrade, Serbia. Salary, 650 to 800 euros per month, net. Accommodation, provided by the employer. Transportation, provided to and from the workplace. Work schedule, 5 to 6 days a week, 10 to 12 hours per day. Your responsibilities include maintaining cleanliness of all site premises, including restrooms and common areas, dusting all surfaces, washing floors and windows. Requirements: knowledge of public safety and order standards, good physical fitness and endurance, time management skills, stress resistance, and attention to detail. Meals, not provided. Candidates arrange their own food. Contract, 6 months, with benefits according to Serbian labor law. If you're hardworking, detail-oriented, and ready to keep construction sites safe and clean, this opportunity is for you. Apply now and join our team near Belgrade.